Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 screen resolution problem. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all going to your settings of your Windows, go to your system and go to your display options. After doing this step, change the display resolution according to your PC. After doing this, keep changing or revert it. Change the scale according to your PC. After doing this, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can go to your search options and type a device manager. Open a device manager. Go to your display adapter, expand it, and update the driver. Click on update driver. Click on search automatic for driver. Click on close button. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.